Hume Health Body Pod reviews. In this video, I'm going to give you an honest review of the Hume Health Body Pod. This is the advanced smart scale everyone's talking about in 2026, and I'm breaking down whether it's actually worth your money. The Hume Body Pod is not your average bathroom scale. It's an advanced body composition analyzer that measures 45 different health metrics in under 60 seconds. Unlike basic scales that only tell you weight, the Body Pod analyzes your entire body using 8-frequency bioelectrical impedance analysis. You stand on it, hold the handles, and it measures body fat, muscle mass, visceral fat, hydration, metabolic age, bone density, and even breaks down muscle distribution by body segment. Your arms, legs, and torso each get analyzed separately. The Body Pod tracks 45 metrics including body fat percentage, lean muscle mass, visceral fat, skeletal muscle, intracellular water, extracellular water, metabolic age, bone mineral content, and segmental analysis. This segmental breakdown is huge. Most scales tell you your total muscle mass. The Body Pod tells you your left arm has more muscle than your right arm, or your left leg is weaker than your right. That's the kind of data that actually helps you train smarter. Hume claims 98% correlation with DEXA scans, which is the medical gold standard for body composition. That means the Body Pod's measurements are within 3% of what a DEXA scan would show. But at home, instead of spending $50 to $150 per scan at a clinic. Independent reviews confirm accuracy within plus or minus 3% of DEXA. For tracking body composition changes over weeks and months at home, that's genuinely impressive accuracy. Current pricing is $229 with a 35% discount, free worldwide shipping. The device is HSA and FSA eligible, which helps reduce costs. Warranty is 1-year standard, extendable to 10 years for $35. There's a 45-day money-back guarantee. Compare that to visiting a DEXA facility repeatedly at $50 to $150 per scan, and the Body Pod pays for itself after 2 or 3 scans. The Hume Health app is free for basic tracking. Premium Hume Plus adds AI coaching and detailed reports. The app syncs via Bluetooth and generates weekly health reports showing your trends. It supports up to 24 user profiles, so families can share one device. The app syncs with other wearables including the Hume Band for combined activity and body composition tracking. You get metabolic momentum tracking, which tells you whether your habits are moving your physiological age forward or backward. The Body Pod has a 4.8-star rating from over 48,000 verified reviews. Users love the detailed metrics, accuracy, and app integration. Common complaints include occasional measurement errors that require retraining, the app needing to be open nearby for full data sync, and a learning curve before the insights feel meaningful. Some users found the app connection unreliable, having to open the app every time before stepping on the scale to see advanced metrics. Buy the Body Pod if you're serious about fitness and want more data than weight alone. Buy it if you're tracking weight loss and want to know if you're losing fat or muscle. Buy it if you're using GLP-1 therapy and need to monitor lean mass preservation. Buy it if you're a data-driven person who wants actionable insights, not just numbers. Buy it if you have a family and want one shared device. Skip it if you just want basic weight tracking. A regular scale costs $30 and does that fine. Skip it if you expect the device to diagnose medical conditions. It's a wellness tool, not a medical device. Pros: extremely detailed body composition data. Segmental analysis shows muscle imbalance. High claimed accuracy. Multiple user support, excellent app integration, HSA FSA eligible, cost-effective versus repeated clinic visits, good warranty options. Cons: occasional measurement errors. App reliability issues, must open app for full data. Premium features require subscription, not a clinical device. Learning curve to understand data, some customer service complaints. The Hume Health Body Pod is genuinely a good device for people who take their fitness seriously. The accuracy is impressive. The data depth is unmatched at this price. The ecosystem integration with the Hume Band is seamless. Yes, there are reliability quirks and the app needs improvements, but for $229, you're getting a tool that provides insights that would cost hundreds of dollars at a clinical facility. If you want more than weight tracking, it's worth the investment. If this review helped you decide, please like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me whether you own a Body Pod or what metrics you track most. Thanks for watching.